Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Easy Learn. And today's topic is area of triangles, within which we're going to be dealing with non-right angled triangles. And it's practice time today. If you haven't watched my area of triangles explanation video yet, pause right here, check the link in the description below, go understand the concept first, and then come back for solving. So today's question is area of a triangle is 18.2 centimeters square. Find angle x. Now let's suppose this is my triangle with the base as 7 centimeter and one of the slant height as 6 centimeter. This is the angle that they are asking, which is x degrees. Now, keeping in mind the area of a non-right angle triangle, provided that an angle enclosed between two lengths is known, the formula for that area is half AB sine C. AB are my lengths and sine C is the angle that is enclosed between those two lengths. And in this particular question, as you can see that the area is already given to me as 18.2. The length or the AB 6 and 7 are also given to me. I could take either of the lengths as A or B. So I'm taking 7 as my B and 6 as my A. So if I put in my area formula half AB sine C, so my area is equal to half AB sine C, where my A could be the 6 and my B is 7 times sine, and my C, the angle C, is x. So I'm just going to write x, and all of that is equal to my area that is given to me as 18.2. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to be solving this. I'm going to do half times 6 times 7. So 6 times 7 is 42. 42 divided by 2, or 42 times half, gives me 21. So I have 21 sine x equals 18.2. Now this 21, it goes to the other side. And when 21 goes to the other side, because this 21 is in multiplication with the sine x, when it goes to the other side, it turns into division. So I have 18.2 divided by 21 equals my sine x. Now what happens that if I tell you I want this value of x, I want the angle x. For that, you need to take your sine to the other side. And what happens when sine goes to the other side? When sine goes to the other side, as discussed even previously, that when sine goes to the other side, it turns into something like this, sine minus 1. The sine minus 1 is known as the inverse. So I'm going to be solving it up here. So I'm going to write sine inverse, or sine minus 1, 18.2 divided by 21, and that is going to be equal to my x. So if I check that on my calculator, make sure that you click this INV, that is the inverse, and in that you're going to select the sine minus 1 or the sine inverse. And one important thing, that your calculator should be set to degrees unless and until asked to give answer in radians. Then when you write that down, when you click inverse and sine minus 1, you have something like this, arc sine. So arc sine 18.2 divided by 21 gives me something like this, 60.07, or I could just write it as x equals 60.1 degrees. So this is my angle here, which is 60.1. So that's pretty much how you go ahead to solve for your x. When you have your formula, the area formula, half AB sine C, you put in all your values, the area is available to you, the A and B are available to you, only the C is missing, or the angle is missing. You solve one part, you take it to the other side, it turns into division, and then when sine goes to the other side, it turns into sine minus 1 or sine inverse. And then when you do sine inverse of your problem, then the answer becomes 60.1 degrees. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching Easy Learn. If you have any questions, any confusions, just drop them down in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe Easy Learn. Thank you.